Imagine transforming your home into a cinematic paradise. Sounds amazing, right? At Cooper Audio Designs, Nanaimo's premier home theater installation company, we specialize in creating the ultimate home theater experience. Our team of certified professionals design, install, and calibrate dedicated home theater rooms tailored specifically to you. Picture this, a gigantic projection screen paired with Dolby Atmos surround sound. You'll feel like you're in the middle of the action. And the best part? The comfort of your own home theater ceiling for that immersive, unforgettable experience. From blockbuster movies to binge-worthy TV shows, our installations ensure every detail is crystal clear and every sound is pitch perfect. Trust us, once you experience a Cooper Audio Designs home theater, you'll never want to go back to a regular TV setup. For the best home cinema experience on Vancouver Island, Cooper Audio Designs is your first choice. Unleash the ultimate home theater experience today. Join the ranks of movie lovers who have already transformed their homes into cinematic paradises. Cooper Audio Designs, where premium quality meets exceptional expertise.